What's up, everybody? You're now watching Slappy's Media Shack here, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I just got two new things from Best Buy today, so let's go ahead and check them out. Check out this first one I got. Yep, that's it. I finally got it. Now I will finally be able to make Blu-ray openings and closings for you all. Hope you all are excited, because I am. Hold on. Okay, I finally got it open. Here it is. Well, it got a nice shiny sheen to it. Either that or it could be plastic wrapping on it. Here's the USB port it comes with. There's the manual. Won't show it off though. And this is the disc for CyberLink Mia Suite for Blu-ray. I don't know if I'll need this, but I'll check to just make sure. Now that we finally got that out of the way, let's go ahead and open up the next one real quick. Here it is. This is for when I want to be able to get new wired headphones when my AirPods need to charge. There it is. Here it is. Those are the manuals right there. And that's it for the entire unboxing video. See you guys next time for the next media update or unboxing video. You know, just an exciting video from the Slappy's Media Shack. Thanks for watching and stay safe.